Most relationships don't last forever. They have a beginning, a middle, and often an expiration date. At first, everything feels magical. Butterflies, late-night calls, holding hands for hours. But as time goes on, reality creeps in. Misunderstandings pile up, small fights grow into big ones, and the spark fades. We humans, in many ways, live in circles. The Earth spins around the sun, the moon circles the Earth, and too often we find ourselves circling through relationships, starting fresh, burning out, then moving to the next. But what if it didn't have to be that way? What if there were habits, small daily actions, that could make your love last, not for a season, but for a lifetime? Today, I'm sharing 16 powerful habits that can keep your relationship strong, resilient, and deeply fulfilling. If you want your love to last forever, these are the things you need to start doing every single day. Talk openly and honestly. Silence is the slowest poison in a relationship. When you don't talk, when you keep things bottled up, resentment builds like invisible bricks between you and your partner. The strongest couples? They talk. Not just about bills or schedules, but about feelings, fears, and even the uncomfortable truths. Honesty doesn't always mean easy conversations. It means real ones. And real conversations build trust. Because at the end of the day, love isn't just about romance. It's about feeling safe with someone, knowing you can be vulnerable without judgment. Find joy in shared activities. Think about it. You didn't fall in love with your partner just because of how they looked. You connected because of the things you did together. Over time, couples drift because they stop sharing experiences. Work routines and stress take over. But if you want to keep your bond alive, create rituals you share. Cook together once a week. Take walks. Go to the gym as a team. Or even binge watch that silly show you both secretly love. It's not the activity that matters, it's the joy of being side by side. Shared experiences create shared memories, and those memories become the glue that keeps love strong. Stay connected during the day. A relationship isn't built in the mornings and evenings. It's woven throughout the day. A simple thinking of you text. A 5-minute call during lunch. Sending a funny meme that only they would understand. These tiny check-ins say, "You matter to me even when I'm busy." Love doesn't require grand gestures every day. It requires presence. And presence can be as simple as a quick message that makes your partner smile at their desk. Notice the little things. Did they change their haircut? Did they sigh after a long day? Did they do the dishes without being asked? Noticing is love. When you notice the little things, you're telling your partner, "I see you. I value you." It's not about always buying gifts or writing long letters. It's about recognizing the everyday details. Because often, people don't leave relationships because of one big thing. They leave because they stopped feeling seen. Speak their love language. We all give and receive love differently. Some crave words, some need touch, some feel love through time, gifts, or acts of service. You might say, "I love you" 10 times a day, but if your partner's love language is physical touch, they won't feel it unless you hold their hand. Learn their language. Speak it daily. Because love is not just about saying what you feel, it's about making sure they feel what you say. Share the load at home. Love can't survive long if one person carries all the weight. Whether it's paying bills, cooking, cleaning, or errands, partnership means balance. When you help with chores, you're saying, "We're in this together." It's not glamorous. Folding laundry or washing dishes won't make a movie scene. But those small acts of teamwork, they prevent bitterness. A clean kitchen today could mean fewer arguments tomorrow. And sometimes the most romantic thing you can do is take out the trash. Give genuine compliments. Think back to when you first started dating. You couldn't stop complimenting each other. "You're so beautiful. I love your laugh. You're brilliant." But then time passed. Compliments turned into silence. Here's the truth. everyone still wants to be admired. Your partner wants to feel attractive, appreciated, and valued, especially by you. So don't stop. Tell them they look good. Praise their efforts. Remind them they're special. Because when you don't, someone else eventually might. Laugh together. Often laughter is medicine for the soul and for love. When life gets heavy, humor can be the lifeline. Inside jokes, silly nicknames, playful teasing, these aren't childish. They're bonding. Couples who laugh together survive together. Why? Because laughter turns struggles into stories and pain into something you faced side by side. Love without laughter feels like work. Love with laughter feels like home. Show gratitude. Every day. Gratitude is one of the most underrated habits in relationships. We often thank strangers more than we thank our partners. Thanks for making dinner. Thank you for helping me with this. Thanks for listening. It sounds small, but gratitude reminds your partner that their efforts matter. And when people feel appreciated, they want to give more. A thank you today can prevent a silent resentment years from now. Settle conflicts quickly. Never go to bed angry. It's cliché because it's true. Dragging fights across days builds walls that get harder to tear down. The longer you wait, the colder the connection becomes. Yes, it's okay to cool down. Yes, it's okay to take a breather. But don't bury the problem. Resolve it. Talk it out. Hug it out. Love is not the absence of conflict. It's the commitment to resolve it together. Greet and part with intention. Think about how you greet your partner. Is it a distracted nod? Or a genuine hug and smile? How you say hello and goodbye shapes how you feel when you're apart. Those little rituals matter. A warm hug before work. A kiss before bed. A genuine goodbye before leaving the house. These are reminders that even in the rush of life, your partner comes first. Say the magic words daily. I love you. You mean the world to me. You're amazing. Those 3 little words never get old. But they must be sincere. Don't assume your partner knows. They need to hear it. Love is not just felt, it's spoken. Words give life to feelings, and feelings fuel forever. Bring home their favorite snack. Write a sticky note and put it on the mirror. Plan a surprise date night. These little just because acts make your partner feel special without needing a reason. Spontaneity keeps the spark alive. Predictability kills it. Never stop pursuing your partner, even after years together. Give affection and physical contact. A relationship without affection becomes a friendship. Touch is powerful. Holding hands, hugging, cuddling, a kiss on the forehead. These gestures release oxytocin, the bonding hormone, making you feel safe and connected. Never underestimate the power of a gentle touch. It says, I'm here. You're safe. We're together. Go to bed at the same time. It sounds small, but it's huge. Couples who align their sleep schedules spend more time in intimacy, whether it's pillow talk, cuddling, or simply falling asleep together. It doesn't mean you can't stay up late sometimes, but making an effort to share that bedtime ritual keeps you close, literally and emotionally. Keep choosing each other. Love isn't something that just happens. It's a choice you make every day. Through the arguments, the tough seasons, the boring routines, you must wake up and say, I still choose you. When both partners keep choosing each other, love doesn't fade. It grows stronger, deeper, and more unshakable with time. Relationships don't fail because of one big mistake. They fade because of 1,000 missed chances to connect. But if you practice these habits daily, your relationship won't just survive, it will thrive. Love is not magic. Love is effort. And effort, done daily, creates forever. So if you want your relationship to last forever, do this. If you found value in this video and want more content on building strong, lasting relationships, make sure to hit that like button. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep creating meaningful content that matters. Thanks for watching. And remember, love is a choice you make every day. Choose wisely, choose fully, and keep choosing each other. See you in the next one.